Hey Dana, it's Josh Bedslow. I was talking to Lydia the other day and she gave me this email to send this video over to you for. And this is going to be showing you 3 things you could be doing to bring in more customers to your business. Now you're probably sitting there wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet could benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hand saying, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not just talking about the amount of words on your page, but what type of keywords you're using. I noticed that you definitely need some more content on your homepage. You need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they look and crawl through content for keywords. But the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So I go over here to my Keywords Everywhere tool. It costs you about $10 for 100,000 credits. It'll last you a couple months at least. But it shows you what keywords you're ranking for in your website. And the ones you're ranking for number 1 are technically tailored towards your company, but you are ranking pretty good for flooring store Jacksonville, Florida, flooring store Jacksonville. 480 searches, 70 searches a month. So that's very good right there. All right, but you definitely want to be implementing more keywords that are more tailored to your service area and niche specific. All right, so I'm gonna go over here to competition, Mike Nickel Flooring. Mike's your competition because when you type in flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, you get the ads and the map pack, and we're going to get to that in a second. But Mike is ranked number 1. I really don't think for long though. After I've been doing a couple of these screencasts, because when I go over to his keywords everywhere, he's starting to get a little bit down in the ranks for those tailored service areas and niches keywords. Another way you can implement keywords besides content is actually through the images on your website. When I'm talking about that, I'll go over here, for example, and I'll do save image as, and it comes up as visit showroom. I'll do another one. Save image as. Meet our team. All right. So when we go over to Mike's site, you can see that on a couple of his images, when you press save, comes up as flooring store servicing Jacksonville, Florida. So you can actually implement keywords into those pictures as well. All right. The second thing I want to go over was citations. Citations is how you climb on this map pack. Okay. Actually, just before that, I want to go through how this first page is laid out. Of course, you get the ads, and ads are good. Okay. But research shows they're only semi-effective. It can become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. But how do you get ranked at this map pack is through citations. And I believe I found you on the fourth page of the map pack, which isn't bad, not bad at all. But we don't want you just on the first page. We want you in the top 3. So when people are searching for these services, your company's already on their mind. All right. So I plugged into my little local citation finder by Whitespark, WHITE-SPARK.ca. It costs you about $30-70 a month, depending on your plan. But you came up with 3 citation sources. How you really want to beat this competition out by a landslide is add about 200 to 300 of these bad boys. Also optimize the description, okay? I believe Google My Business offers you 750 character limit, and definitely utilize every single one of those characters to the highest and implement those keywords in there. Also, it never hurts to add more pictures, and reviews are always good. I like that you're 4.3 stars. That shows you're all about customer service, just like me. All right. So the third thing I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks and link juice. And when I'm talking about backlinks and link juice, you're probably wondering, what the heck is that? So I'll give you an example. Let's use LinkedIn as an example. LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back you. I emphasize relative because that is so important. I feel like a lot of people who do digital marketing or SEO, they'll just throw a bunch of referring domains and backlinks into your website without actually knowing that they're actually relative or giving it that drive or integrity that Google likes to have. This is Ahrefs, by the way. Ahrefs is a phenomenal SEO tool. I use it every single day because, well, I'm a digital marketer. But basically shows you referring domains, your backlinks, shows you the integrity and the drive your website has and all the backlinks according to it. I'm going to go over here to your competitions, Ahrefs, which is Mike. He only has 38 referring domains and 207 backlinks. So you're probably wondering, how the heck is this guy beating me? Well, that goes back over to and you need relative sites linking at you, all right? And also just more I'll go down here, for example. So your drive on your first page is actually really looking good. You know, you got some good drive. But then once you get past this first page, you really start getting into those zeros, all right? So there's really not that much drive, not that much integrity getting here, as you can see. And I'll go to the third page just for fun. And that's, yeah, just like right here, all right? Another thing I noticed is, I'm gonna go back, instead of free domains, I'm gonna go to your backlinks for your 2700. I can see that a lot of these are no follows. So you definitely want some do follow links instead of no follows. And just for my own curiosity, I really want to go into here. Why? Okay, just a simple no drive citation. All right. So I just want to give you those few tips and tricks and really emphasize what you really need to do to get to that #1 spot in Google. And I just want to go back over the 3 things we talked about. The first one was content. So implement more content. Definitely hit 1,500 words on your homepage. Implement those keywords that your competitions are ranking for, that are getting the most drive. Also hide them in those images. Optimize your Google Map Pack, okay? Add a better description. Add about 200 to 300 citations. You'll beat your competition out by a landslide to be ranked #1 in the Map Pack. And the third thing was backlinks and link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. Would you rather be on the cover of the New York Times or the cover of the Freeport Journal? You know, it kind of same premise, okay? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can go with this information I provided you today, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save your time, my name is Josh, and you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.